AI versus jobs. Your role is next. The real question is, are you ready? This video is not meant to scare you, it's meant to wake you up. Let's start with reality, not opinions, not hype. Actual jobs are already being replaced, not tomorrow, not in 5 years, right now. Call centers were among the first to fall. AI chatbots today handle more than 70% of customer queries. No waiting, no breaks, no salary hikes. If your job depends on repeating the same answers, AI doesn't just compete with you, it outperforms you. Next is data entry. Data entry once employed millions. Today, automated systems process millions of records instantly. No errors, no fatigue. Speed plus accuracy is a deadly combination, and AI has both. Next is content writing. Content writing was thought to be safe, but AI now writes blogs, ads, reports in seconds. What used to take hours now takes a single prompt. The scary part, most people still don't realize this. Jobs at a high risk. Here is the pattern you must understand. If your job involves repetitive tasks, AI learns it once and repeats it forever. If your work is rule based, AI follows rules better than humans ever could. Manual reporting is disappearing fast. Dashboards, summaries, analytics generated in real time. If Excel is still your main skill, you are standing on the thin ice. Let me say this clearly. Predictable equals replaceable. If your daily works follows a script, AI already knows that script and executes it faster, cheaper, and better. The showdown. So, does that mean humans are finished? Absolutely not. AI has speed and scale. Humans have judgment, creativity, and context. The winners won't fight AI, they will combine with it. Here is the part most people miss. AI is not killing jobs, AI is upgrading roles. Jobs that will grow. AI engineers building intelligent systems, data engineers managing the fuel of AI, which is data, cybersecurity experts protecting systems from AI powered attacks, whereas product manager deciding how AI serves real users, and yes, prompt engineer, people who know how to talk to AI. Degree expire, skills compound. Learn AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Midjourney now, not later. Sharpen problem solving. AI gives answers. Humans ask the right questions. Communication matters more than ever. Explaining complex ideas simply, that's human. And think like a business. Understand impact, value, and rate of interest, not just tasks. For students, students listen carefully. Your degree will not protect you. Your ability to use AI will. Start now, not after your graduation. For IT professionals, if you are coding without AI assistance, you are already behind. Embrace automation or your role will be automated. Here comes the harsh truth. Nearly 47% of jobs could be automated by 2030. That gives us roughly 4 to 5 years. This window will not reopen, but not forever. The gap between early adopters and late movers is closing fast. Those who wait will watch others take their place. Adapt or be replaced. Use AI and grow faster than ever. Ignore AI and risk becoming irrelevant. This is not a prediction, it's a choice. Use AI or get replaced. AI is not your enemy, it's your tool, your advantage, and your future. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today.